There are two birds. They fly above me, and I am afraid that one day they might flee. Because they are the ones that protect me, the ones that can see the troubles that I see. These birds are peaceful, they soar with grace. They can help me address the troubles I face. Along with their grace are the ones that care, the ones who keep me happy as they fly through the air. The darkness is deep and is hard to escape. It weighs heavy on my shoulders, much like a cape. The darkness consumes me when I go to sleep. I wake up scared, at first in anger, later leading to a weep. I sit in fear, feeling very alone, and feeling guilty for my life is unsown. But I am lucky to have my two birds to be by my side. They help me through all these hard times. These beautiful birds are of the color white. They guide me through my darkness to help me find my light.